Good morning, everybody. Today we will explain something about equations. Uh, this chapter is very important for grade 7 and grade 8 and grade 9. But we want to explain it according to grade 8 and we can use it in grade 9. Uh, I hope you to like my channel and subscribe uh, to let you show anything new. Uh, I will start directly without long explanation like that. I will use uh, explanation shortly, and I will give an examples about this chapter directly to explain equations. How can we solve them? For example, if we have first of all ax equal b, that means I can use it will be the answer of it here. I can divide b divided by x. That means the number divided by the number that multiplied by x. It becomes x equal b over a. Okay. With respect to, for example, another example I will give them to you. If we have 2x minus 3 equal, for example, 7. That means it becomes, we take the numbers to the right of of equal and leave the unknown at the left. We will take the number to the right and leave the unknowns to the left of equal. But don't forget to change the sign. If you take the numbers to the right of equal, you must change the sign. It becomes 2x equal 7 plus 3. So this is the answer, become 2x equal 10, and now we will divide the number divided by the number that multiplied by x, which is 2. It becomes x equal 10 over 2. It becomes x equal 5. With respect to the number that at the right of the equal, leave it without it change its sign. We must change the sign for the numbers that come to the right only. But any number on the right, leave it with its sign. Don't change its sign. Any number on the left, on the right of equal, on the right side of equal, don't change its sign. You must put its sign the same. But if you take any number from the left side of equal to the right side of equal, so then you can change its sign. You must change its sign. And with respect to unknowns, with respect to the unknowns that is taken from the right side to the left side, you must change its sign. Example, we have 3x minus 10 equal 2x equal minus 7. Here, in this case, we have unknowns at the right side of equal, and we have also numbers at the left side. In this case, we must take the numbers that at the left side, we will take them to the right side of equal with change its sign. But with respect to minus 7, it is at the left, it is at the right. Don't change its sign. Leave it at the right side. With respect to 2x, the unknown, we will take it to the left side of equal with changing its sign. But with respect to 3x, we will leave it at the left side without changing its sign. It becomes 3x minus 2x equal minus 7 plus 10. Implies that now we can subtract 3x minus 2x. It becomes x equal minus 7 plus 10. We have different signs here in this expression. Now we have different signs, so we put the sign of the largest and then subtract. We put the sign of the sign which is a plus, and 10 minus 7, it becomes 3. This is the answer. For example, if we have another example, 5 into 3x minus 4 minus 10 equal 2 into 4x minus 7 minus 13. First of all, here in this case, we should, what we will do, we should remove the parentheses. We should remove the parentheses first of all. Then that means we multiply 5 with the terms in the parentheses. After that, we take the numbers to the right side of equal and from left, and bring the unknowns from right side to the left side, but don't forget to change their signs. Here 5x, 5 times 3x, 5 times 3x, it becomes 15x and then 5 times minus 4, it becomes minus 20, and we have minus 10, we will leave it. It becomes minus 10 first, equal, then 2 times 4 and 2 times 7. It becomes 8x minus 14, because 2 times 4, 8x, 2 times minus 7, minus 14. The last one minus 13. We put it. Now we should take the unknowns to the from right side to the left side. It becomes here 15x minus 8x, because we said before you must change the sign. Now here at the right side we have minus 14 minus 13, and we will take minus 20 minus 10 to the left, to the right side. It becomes plus 20, we will change their signs, plus 10. Now subtract 15 minus 8, 15 here, 15x minus 8x, it becomes 7x, equal, and now we have same signs and different signs. Here minus 14 minus 13, it becomes minus 27. We add the negatives alone, and we add the positives alone. It becomes plus 30. Now 7x equal 30 minus 27, 3. It becomes x equal 3/7. This is the answer. Here in this new solution, try to use your solution step by step. Don't put the answer directly to get marks, because there is nothing at the answer directly. Now we have, for example, AB equal 0. This means that A will be equal to 0 or B equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers together, if their answer will be 0, that means the first answer can be 0 or the second one can be also 0. Example, x, y equal 0 implies that x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. With respect to the parentheses, If there is a lot of parentheses multiplied with each other, take the first parenthesis equal to 0, or second parenthesis equal to 0, or third parenthesis equal to 0, or fourth parenthesis equal to 0, etc. That means for each parenthesis, put it equal to 0. For example, x minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Implies that the first parenthesis x minus 3 equal to 0 we put, or x plus 5 equal to 0. Don't forget to put or between the two parentheses. If you don't put equal or, the word or, it will be wrong. And don't be careful here in the equations, don't put and. It becomes x equal 3, or x equal minus 5. Thank you for listening. Thank you a lot. Thank you for, don't forget to subscribe to give you something new.